Hello and welcome to our Golden Age Health series. Today, we will talk about 6 golden health secrets of turmeric for people aged 50 and older. As we journey through life, aging gracefully becomes a priority. Turmeric may hold the key to achieving that goal. It can unlock a world of vitality and well-being to you. In this exciting video, we'll discover how turmeric can sprinkle a dash of magic into your golden years. Turmeric, a spice revered for centuries, holds a wealth of potential health benefits that can enhance the lives of those in the golden age. It is a powerful spice known for its distinctive yellow color that can do a whole lot of good for our health and overall well-being. Let's now explore its 6 golden health benefits. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is a common culprit that contributes to various age-related conditions. First and foremost, turmeric contains a key compound called curcumin, which possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties. The primary advantage of curcumin as anti-inflammatory compound is to reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a natural response by the immune system to injury or infection, but excessive or chronic inflammation can contribute to various health problems such as cancer. Anti-inflammatory substances like curcumin can help lower this risk by counteracting chronic inflammation and reducing cellular damage that can lead to cancerous growth. Number 2. Relief for joint pain and arthritis. Chronic inflammation can be a common issue as we age, leading to conditions such as arthritis. Adding turmeric to your diet can help prevent those ailments. Similarly, the remarkable anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can provide relief from joint pain and stiffness commonly experienced in arthritis. Number 3. Brain health. Turmeric has a protective effect on brain health, reducing the risk of cognitive decline, especially in older people. Research indicates that curcumin in turmeric can enhance brain function, improve memory, and protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Turmeric truly is a golden spice for a sharp mind. Number 4. Heart health. Drinking turmeric juice, for example, can have potential advantages for your heart. For sure, a cardiovascular well-being is a critical area for maintaining a healthy heart, especially when you are in your 50s or older. A diet rich in turmeric can also help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve overall heart health. Number 5. Digestive health. If you're someone who experiences digestive issues, then this news is definitely something to be excited about. Turmeric aids in digestion, stimulates bile production, and can provide relief for gastrointestinal disorders like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and ulcerative colitis. Number 6. Antioxidant. Turmeric is packed with antioxidants that help protect against cellular damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can have effects like speeding up the aging process and even playing a role in the development of cancer and other diseases. This implies that turmeric is one of the key foods that we should incorporate into our diet to help prevent the damaging effects of free radicals. It's also worth noting that the antioxidants and other nutrients in turmeric help to slow down the aging process and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. That's a fantastic news. So, if you're looking to slow down the aging process, incorporating foods like turmeric into your diet can be highly beneficial. You'll be amazed at the positive impact it can have on your overall well-being. Turmeric truly is a golden spice with numerous potential benefits for individuals aged 50 and older. Give it a try, and you won't be disappointed. It's important to note that while turmeric offers potential benefits, its absorption in the body can be limited. It's recommended to combine it with black pepper or consume it with fats like coconut oil or olive oil. That's the way to enhance its bioavailability, thus its absorption by the body. However, it's essential to remember that individual results may vary, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. Always remember, a healthy diet is way affordable than medical bills. So, until next time, eat well, age well, exercise time to time, and above all, stay healthy at all costs, as we all need you. That's all. Thank you.